Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to add Scottish accent voiceover with Murf AI. So, let us begin. Step 1. Start by navigating to the Explore AI Voices tab on the left side of the studio. Here lies a treasure trove of diverse accents. For this endeavor, let's select English Scottish to unlock an array of Scottish accent voices. Step 2. Immerse yourself in the collection of Scottish accent voices and discover the one that harmonizes perfectly with your project. Once you have found the accent that resonates, a simple click on Select is all that's needed. Step 3. Fill the text area with your script. To infuse a dynamic flair, feel free to tweak the speed, insert strategic pauses, and tailor it to your preferences. Step 4. Witness the transformation. Eager to hear your Scottish accent text materialize? Just tap on Generate Audio to unveil the enchanting metamorphosis. With just a few clicks, you have seamlessly turned your text into captivating Scottish accent speech. All thanks to Murf's AI remarkable capabilities. I hope this video helps you out. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.